Now, even as we're talking about one vaccine getting approval from the subject expert committee, there was also a 2-hour-long vaccination dry run, and this was across India. It was conducted in 116 districts today from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan was at the forefront to review the preparedness for the possible vaccine rollout in the coming days. Harshvardhan reviewed the preparations at Delhi's GTB hospital. Delhi's Health Minister Satinder Jain also took stock of the preparedness. It wasn't just in Delhi, really. Across the country, we saw a similar exercise. For instance, in Kerala, Health Minister KK Shailaja took part in the dry run process. This nationwide dry run was conducted to test the linkages between planning and implementation, to identify challenges, to really end-to-end testing of adverse effect management was tested. The IT systems, database management, checking of storage and transportation facilities, the deployment of the vaccination team, site management, all of that was checked. A total of 96,000 vaccinators have been trained across the country, over 57,000 participants at the district level. The states have essentially extended the bandwidth of helpline numbers as well.
मेरा देश के लोगों को ये अपील है कि किसी भी अफवाह में ना जाएं। भारत की सरकार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में सारे देश के लोगों को कोविड से हर प्रकार की प्रक्रिया के माध्यम से सुरक्षित रखना चाहती है। सबसे प्राइम हम लोगों का क्राइटेरिया अगर है तो वैक्सीन के ट्रायल्स में वो सेफ्टी है, एफिकेसी है, उसकी इम्यूनोजेनिसिटी है और इनमें से किसी भी चीज़ के ऊपर कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं है।
आज वैक्सीन का ड्राई रन किया जा रहा है 3 तरह की हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज में, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल और गवर्नमेंट डिस्पेंसरी। दरियागंज में जहाँ पे हम खड़े हैं एक गवर्नमेंट डिस्पेंसरी है, यहाँ पे ड्राई रन चल रहा है। भी हॉस्पिटल दिल्ली सरकार का हॉस्पिटल है, उसमें भी चल रहा है और वेंकटेश्वर हॉस्पिटल प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल वहाँ भी चल रहा है। दिल्ली सरकार ने पूरी तैयारी की है, बड़े जोर शोर से तैयारी की है और 1000 के करीब सेंटर हम बनाने जा रहे हैं। 1 लाख लोगों को हम पर डे वैक्सीन लगा सकते हैं।
We selected 4 districts for that: Wayanadu, Palakkad, and Idukki, and also Trivandrum. The mock drill process is over here. Everything went smoothly here. We requested central government to give proper quantity. We hope that central government will supply the proper quantity of vaccine.
This time it is an app-driven process, IT-driven process. So CoWIN app, so functionality is being tested, and you would be very happy to know that the first case when we did the dry run, after first a person, vaccinator 1 will check up his identity, vaccinator 2 will see whether he is already registered. Then he goes to the observation room. Once we assume that he has been given vaccination, in the CoWIN map it is typed as yes button. The moment it is done, his cell, the reply, congratulations, you have successfully got the first dose. That message, that was tested.
Once people are coming in after checking their IDs, after checking all the other protocols, they would be coming in here. These foot markers have been put across so that there is proper social distancing which can take place. And then, there is a person, you can see the mock run which is going on. Health workers' IDs are being checked, and only then they would be allowed to go inside this waiting room for which you can see right at the beginning. Then there is vaccination officer 2 who is going to match all the credentials, note down the names. Post you are done with that check, the vaccination room where actually the vaccine process is going to take place. The vaccination is going to take place once the people come here. This is where the doctors are going to vaccinate the patients. The jab would be given to them, and after taking the jab, that's the waiting room where people, in fact, are going to be sitting.
So you enter this vaccination booth first and straight go to the waiting area. You can see this is the first day of the dry run, and health workers are being trained here to undergo this entire vaccination process. So we enter this vaccination booth area, and the first place that we come is this waiting area. After this, we will straight get into this room. So there's another room where the vaccination will actually take place. After this, once a person is vaccinated, then that person will come to the other room, which is this room. Here, they will be under observation. So they will be kept under observation for some time. Once the vaccination is done, the health workers here will check the health of that person once the vaccination is done, whether or not there are any reactions, any side effects. There are essential medicines that have also been kept here. Basic first aid, other medicines have also been kept here. And then in case there is any emergency, there will be emergency vehicles that would be kept outside. There are healthcare workers across at this facility, urban healthcare facility, where they are being given the training so that once the vaccine arrives, they are fully prepared to implement that entire process. With camera person Arindam, Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
So it's a big day in the country. Dry runs for the vaccination of COVID-19 are taking place. Here in Kashmir and Srinagar also, we are seeing that the dry runs have started. There are health officials who have started conducting this entire exercise. Let's just try and speak to one of them and try and understand how it will go on. This is Dr. Qazi Harun. He's the in charge here. Dr. Saab, how does this work? Why is the dry run being conducted?
This is part of the nationwide dry run for the introduction of COVID-19 vaccination in India. We have identified 3 districts in Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu district, Srinagar district and Kulgam district. God forbid if there is an acute event, adverse event following immunization, a SN curve or something. For that there are couch, there is an IV line, and most importantly we have a set of adverse event following immunization kit in place. We have been working very hard from last 3 months. The trainings are going on, the infrastructure revision is going on, the cold chain revision is going on. We have a robust mechanism of cold chain here. We are around 680 cold chain points. And the best part is that we have the vaccine that's going to come is going to be maintained in +2 to +8 degrees Celsius. So we already have the set for cold chain maintenance for that.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you.
So those are the details that we're getting from the health officials who are working here. This is an exercise which, however, will be crucial because the bigger campaign is not very far away. With cameraman Tariq Shujaul Haq in Srinagar for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.